We have to have a stainless steel toilet brush holder. It was expensive and looked modern, but due to it being stainless steel, it became rusty and stained my white bathroom floor. A friend told me she buys cheap toilet brush holder and changes it every year for hygienic reason. I thought it was a good idea, so I went to look for one. While browsing in IKEA, I came across an extremely cheap toilet brush holder. I couldn't believe the cheap price, as it only cost 99 cents. The design of Bolmen toilet brush holder is simple but practical. It is packaged in a clear plastic wrapper, and packaging is minimalistic to keep the cost down. The toilet brush holder is simply white in color, no frills and nothing fancy. Its height is 36.5 centimeters and the weight is 0.1 kilograms. It is compact to fit in the bathroom, which does not take up room at all. I'm hiding mine behind the toilet seat. Being so cheap, it obviously does not look like an expensive product. The plastic looks cheap, but not flimsy, and is strong enough to do its required job. The holder is just about deep enough to hold the toilet brush in place, although I would prefer it being deeper so the toilet brush is not exposed when not in use. The toilet holder holds the brush well, despite it being quite a shallow dish. It is stable and does not tip over. To clean the toilet brush holder, wipe clean with a cloth dampened in a mild cleaner, and wipe dry with a clean cloth. Base material is polypropylene plastic, and metal part is steel. The toilet brush holder is made mainly in plastic, and I can't see any exposed metal parts, so no problem of it getting rusty. The materials in this product may be recyclable. If you're after a value for money toilet brush holder, then this is the one. This is a satisfactory product, which performs well in a job it's supposed to do. Even if you are not satisfied with it, you are only wasting 99 cents.